Hello, everyone. In this short video, I will show you how to share files between the KVM host computer and the Windows Guest virtual machine. To share files, I will be using VirtIO-FS. VirtIO-FS is a virtualization-specific shared file system that allows virtual machines to access the host's directory tree. Its purpose is to emulate the semantics and performance of the local file system. To demonstrate this, I'll share my host computer's home directory with the Windows 11 guest virtual machine. So launch the Virtual Machine Manager application, select the Windows guest, click the Open button, and then click on the Show Virtual Hardware button. On the left panel, select Memory, and on the right panel, check the Enable Shared Memory checkbox. Press the Apply button. The next step is to add the directory on the host you want to share. For that, click the Add Hardware button. Select the File System option from the left panel. And in the right panel, make sure the driver is set to VirtIO-FS. Set the source path to the host directory you want to share with the Windows 11 guest virtual machine. I'll be sharing my home directory. And then in the target path, enter any arbitrary string. This string will be used to identify the shared directory within the Windows 11 virtual machine. I have set it to host home, but you can change it to whatever you want. And finally, click the Finish button to complete the process. Run the Windows 11 guest virtual machine. To make the shared directory accessible on the Windows 11 virtual machine, you need to install WinFsp package. That is Windows File System Proxy. WinFsp is system software that provides runtime support for custom file systems on Windows computers. So to install it, first open the web browser and enter the URL winfsp.dev. Click on the download link. Download the installer. And install the package. You now need to enable the VirtIO-FS service. For that, type services into the search box and click on services. Look for VirtIO-FS service. Right-click it and select Properties. Then start the service. If you want to mount the share every time you boot, you must also change the service type to automatic. Now open the file manager. click on this PC, you should now see the mount. Open it, and your home directory is now accessible in Windows 11. That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Until the next video, bye.